it's me. I'm back again and I'm doing a live video. Sorry about my hair. And I'm doing a live video unboxing, opening my gigantic FabFitFun for the month. No, for the fall season, which is the month of September. So it's a lot bigger than last June's box, like the summer box. It looks like this has like bigger items than the one that I got from last June. So we'll see. I'm pretty excited about this. As always, as you can see, they have this cute box. It's a cute box, and it always comes in with a magazine, and the theme of the box is very fall. So because it's grateful for every little things, fall 2018, and there's always gonna be a magazine of what you'll be getting or what you usually get in the box. And this time I actually like this because it's not the folding one, and also I like these. Let's see. There are 50 ways to be thankful. So I like to do this. I like something like this. So I wish FabFitFun is actually watching, because I keep doing this. Anyway, so let's start with the Cook Up First Start gift card on the 25 off Hers boxes. I'm actually interested in trying this today because I have a really I have a limited choices of food that I can eat recently because I just got my braces. So there's a coupon for a granola bar. I didn't cover the wire. Okay, that feels better, and I have to put. I'm sorry if y'all look gross out watching that, but I have to put wax in the wires, the end of the wires, because it's really poking my face, my cheeks. No, I cannot eat Luna bars, so if anyone wants a code for this, let me know, because I can definitely give it to you. Now, share the love of FabFitFun. Pass this on, and your friend will get $10 off first box. Not bad. I would definitely pass it on. So it comes in as a cute, what do you call this? Sticker. Share to win FabFitFun. Yes, I will share it. And oh no, I tore off the sticker. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You should check this out. Look at that. What is this? I get to try the Luna. Wow, it's really soft. Not bad. I might be able to eat this. Now let's see. The Beauty Blender, the original one, which I wish I had the green one because I like the green one, but I'd still like to have a beauty blender. It's pretty small, so I guess you just warm it with water with squeeze bounce. Interesting. Now this is the shower gel by Skin & Co. Roma, and this is cruelty-free, organic, and this is It didn't say where it is made at. Hmm. I usually like to know where it is made at. Ooh, look at that cute umbrella. Catherine Mandrino. This is a very cute umbrella. So that's that. Ooh, Glam Glow mask. Wood. So I'm gonna start taking it out so you can see. I was just gonna try to show you guys what it looks like. So I get this one. Then I got the Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser Olive Leaf Plantago Extract. This is made in Australia. Interesting. It looks like it's been squeezed a lot. It looks like it was opened or something. I don't know, but is it normal to look like that? Cream cleanser. Okay, it's not open. It's intact. So I guess it's just normal. Interesting. So I got the Glam Glow. Now I get more masks. So I get a mask from Ipsy and I get a mask from FabFitFan. So definitely amazing box. So let me go through this magazine first. So I get in every box, and then Vince Camuto or the crown brush. I guess it's fine that I didn't get the crown brush. That's fine. I didn't get to choose. I didn't get to choose what I like. I would have liked the Camilla Granium Blossom. The lipstick. I don't need lipstick, so I don't want the detox bath. I would like I'd like this one. So, in every box we get a beauty blender, a 2 Glam Glow of 2 packs, a Simply Whimsical tea towel. What do I need tea towel for? I guess I'm gonna be some kind of tea party event that I'm gonna have, so I need tea towel. So I also get Luna Rika Bar, and a Skin Blue Capri shower gel. Interesting. Italian collection. Now then I can get to choose between Vince Camuto Lactose in Black or Red Desert. But of course, I didn't check because I forgot what email I use in FabFitFan. So they choose it for me. So now I get the Vince Camuto. I got the Vince Camuto. I like that they always have this cover. And this is what Vince Camuto tote bag looks like. It's made in China. Interesting. I guess this is like a fancy way. Like I can use this if I travel internationally and I want to be fancy and look chic for my, like important easy access stuff that I need. Now, I didn't get the crown brush. So now it's either I get that crown brush or this Vince Camuto. So I get the Vince Camuto. Not my choice. This is the Vince Camuto. Then I get to have either Alfred French press or Alfred teapot. Since also I didn't check if I should, which one I like, I get the Alfred French press, which is very exciting because I guess I'm gonna start doing French press coffee instead. Look at that. So I guess I'll just have, I wish there's like instruction how to make coffee. Okay, it has instruction in the box, so I'm gonna wash this and start doing some French press sometime. It looks so weird. But okay. Well, I got that. I was just trying to test what it looks like. So I get the Alfred, but first coffee, French press. Then I get to choose either Catherine Malandrino umbrella in red floral or Cyclo Cobra Bluetooth wireless earbuds in black or white. Now I got the black and white. I just didn't get the earbud. I got the black and white polka dot Catherine Malandrino umbrella. And it looks really nice. It looks really expensive. So you gotta undo that like that. Wow. This is some fancy one. Fancy umbrella. Very fancy. I miss using umbrella and it's really hard to close because this is this. Oh my gosh. Okay. I miss doing how to fold the umbrella back then. Because I used to use a lot of umbrella when I was in high school. And I walk from home to school, so I have to have umbrella always with me because I don't know, since there's no smartphone to tell me what's the weather, only the television, and you know, we don't have cable, so I have to resort with, we'll see what the weather is. So I always have to have umbrella with me. There you go. Everything is just there. It's close up like a brand new. There's a tag. It's designed in USA and it has a sleeve. So this is definitely not a daily use. This is more of a fancy use. Like if I want to be fancy, I'm going somewhere, I'm gonna have to use that. Now then, select members only get to choose Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant and Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream or Grown Alchemist Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser. So I guess I have the Grown Alchemist Hydro Restore Cream Cleanser Olive Leaf Plantigo Extract. So it looks like this. It's very interesting. And select members only get to choose Pharmacy Do It All Total Eye Cream or Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny or Somatology Yoga Detox Bath. So this is a detox bath. So this is made in China again, but I don't mind using it. Okay, my wax has come off. I'm gonna re-put a wax again. So that's it. That is my unboxing of my BoxyCharm. I hope you enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel because I'll be posting this in YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll post what I got, and I'll see you next time. Bye.